You have a big yawn. Yeah. Mrs. Hiccups. Yeah. Oh. The hiccups are no fun, are they? Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's no fun to have the hiccups, huh? It's no fun to have the hiccups. It's no fun. Oh, I know you want to escape from the swaddle. I know you want to escape from the swaddle. You want to run around and do all your baby things. But you're just a little boo. You're only 5 days old. You're only 5 days old. Look at your crazy hair. You have crazy hair like your sister did. Yeah.
Creating a hole. Digging a hole. Digging a hole. Is that what we're going to go do? We're going to go do that. Let's go dig a hole. Let's do that.